Kylie and Kendall Jenner are up against some serious claims right now after a factory has exposed them for refusing to pay the factory workers who make the clothes for their clothing line collection. I've got all the details about this story and I'm going to spill the tea for you guys right now on IO. If you don't want to miss another news story, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. And also check out our brand new channel called Top 10 Central. We cover funny videos, funny memes, crazy pictures, and it is a mix of hosts from Most Amazing, Top 10, and IO. So make sure you guys check it out. We will link it for you guys down below. But for now, let's talk about the Jenner sisters. Kendall and Kylie are under fire right now after reports surfaced saying that they have been refusing to pay the factory workers who create garments for their clothing line. Their line, Kendall plus Kylie, is owned by Global Brands Group, and reports are saying they have refused to pay the factory workers since the COVID-19 crisis has caused a reduction in their sales. In March, the CEO of the group said, "Given the unpredictability of the situation, our retail partners have canceled orders, and existing inventory and product in production may have no sell-through. Consequently, we have no choice but to make the difficult decision to cancel all SS 2020 orders from all suppliers without liability." But recent reports from Remake have said that as a result of the company's decision, women who make the clothes have been left in a vulnerable position and are at risk of starving to death. It's literally that bad, you guys. The report included a statement from one of the garment workers in Bangladesh who said, "At the factory gate, they told us to go away, that it was closed because of the virus. When they told us to go back home, I only had $6 left on me." The statement went viral and people are now taking it to social media to protest for the treatment of these workers, and they are begging the Jenner sisters to take action. Kylie has her own skincare and makeup line and is still promoting her items and even selling masks for the virus. People are furious that she's ordering products for her personal company but refusing to push her clothing line and pay the workers that help their line even exist. Like, realistically, your clothing line does not exist without the people making the clothing. We don't know how much involvement these girls actually have in the company. We just know that they are the face and the name and the model of the clothes. However, it is their name that is representing the brand, so regardless, it's just not a good look. It would be nice to see them still pay these workers even if they aren't working. Cause no offense, but like, we all know you have the money to do that. Kylie is a billionaire. So, or even if they paid the workers to like make fabric face masks and then like donate them to places and people in need, that would be cool. Let me know what you guys think about this. As of right now, both Kendall and Kylie have yet to comment on it. Hopefully with stores starting to reopen right now, the factories might reopen too, and then money can start flowing in for these factory workers. While you share your thoughts with me, I'm going to check out some comments from my last IO story. Cardi B responds to body shamers over leaked photoshopped photo. Joyce Dream says, "At least she doesn't hide the fact that she gets things done on her body." Honestly, I appreciate any celebrity that admits like, "I've had some work done. Here it is." Because we all know anyway. Caddy Verinia says, "I'm not the biggest fan of Cardi B, but I applaud her for speaking out on being body positive. Everyone has roles, it is natural, it's real." Facts. Like, you don't even have to be a Cardi B fan to appreciate this. I love honesty, and if she can normalize having body roles, I'm all for it. Mary Lagorda says, "You sounded like Charlotte for a minute there." Honestly, everyone says that. Like, when our voices start in the beginning of the video and you don't see who it is, everyone's like, "I thought it was Charlotte." It's not. Jude Melrose says, "Who goes to Target dressed as if they're going to Walmart?" I do. I dress like I'm going to Walmart all the time. Nothing wrong with that. Wear whatever you want. Alright guys, that's all I got. That is all the tea I have for today. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss another story. And also check out our brand new channel, Top 10 Central. It is linked for you guys down below. I've been your host, Joss. I will see you next time.